Microsoft stock price has been in a fairly well-defined range for several weeks now, holding over the 400 to mid-390s range within the next 3 to 7 days returns favor for the potential of another upswing that would still likely slow down approaching the 420 boundary, where resistance potential is still decently strong with the intersection of the outer spiral. With short-term indecision, there could be some trading and even closes into the 400 to 395 range. Though if most of those closes are with red candles and volume is closer back to 25 million, conditions can improve for a break towards 383 by the end of the month. Then remember to stay tuned for the new series on the Keltner channel indicator releasing next week. Now back to the next chart, where there was the expected rebound after the major gap down, but of course price didn't follow the spirals up all the way, especially since volume decreased near the halfway point, where price has so far followed the new pair of spirals and the Fibonacci wedge based on the upswing. So attention will be focused on whether price can hold over the low 60s past the duration of these new spirals to improve the chances of another rebound approaching the second half of March. Any rebound would of course slow down nearing the low 300 range without daily bullish volume rising back to 15 million or higher. In contrast, just a few closes under 260 with daily volume near 10 million could still have the potential to accelerate price down to these first three extension levels.